In this video, we are going to talk about filling of orbitals in atom. The filling of electrons into the orbitals of different atoms takes place according to the Aufbau principle, which is based on the Pauli's exclusion principle, the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and the relative energies of the orbitals. So let's start with Aufbau principle. The principle states in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies. In other words, electrons first occupy the lowest energy orbital available to them and enter into higher energy orbitals only after the lower energy orbitals are filled. In many cases, the orbitals are similar in energy and small change in atomic structure may bring about a change in the order of filling. Even then, this series is a useful guide to the building of the electronic structure of an atom, provided that it is remembered that exceptions may occur. Now, let's talk about Pauli exclusion principle. The number of electrons to be filled in various orbitals is restricted by the exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of four quantum numbers. Pauli's exclusion principle can also be stated as only two electrons may exist in the same orbital and these electrons must have opposite spin. This means that the two electrons can have the same value of three quantum numbers, principal, azimuthal, and magnetic, but must have the opposite spin quantum number. The maximum number of electrons in the shell with principal quantum number n is equal to 2n square. At last, let's talk about Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. This rule deals with the filling of electrons into the orbitals belonging to the same subshell, that is, orbitals of equal energy called degenerate orbitals. It states pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subshell p, d or f does not take place until each orbital belonging to that subshell has got one electron each, that is, it is singly occupied. It has been observed that half-filled and fully filled degenerate set of orbitals acquire extra stability due to their symmetry.